guys are not starting.
Okay.
So,
6. Till 6.
so the
When
topic
you will
of
end the
today's
meeting now,
discussion
please end it
is,
for all
should all
participants.
animal
Okay.
should all animal testing be banned or not?
Okay, I want to start the discussion by saying that I don't think that it should be banned because animal tissue is similar to human tissue, and if it can save a millions of lives, so it should not be banned.
Absolutely. I
I agree
support
with the point of that banning insects testing cannot be a kind nowadays. As you know that as the diseases are increasing day by day, so banning animal testing cannot be a kind of solution.
Yes, I also think that animal testing should not be banned, but it should be done in a control way. It is not that if animal are available, you are using them like rigorously or like without any human behavior. You are choosing 50 animal for a small testing, and then without any proper
Absolutely. I support the statement that all animal testing should not be banned because when we talk about emotions, we see so many plants and trees are also cut, but we never condone that issue. And moreover, what about those people who eat non-veg food? They never consider killing animals, and they are so brutal. So why are we thinking when one animal can save some lives of others, even animals also?
Yeah, you are right,
right
Prachal. And
pressure.
we are not having any suitable alternative, so it is not a good idea to ban
Yes.
animal killing. And it has been used in making vaccines, blood transfusion, and many more biological terms that I don't know. So
Yes,
banning it is not
it is
a good
used in
option.
many drug testing, and many medicines are made with the help of this animal testing. So it
Yes,
should not be banned.
and actually it is done over a practical limit. It is not that animal killing is a pleasure, animal testing is a pleasure. It is done over some practical limit. So there is no right or wrong when we have to kill or test on some animals.
Actually, what happens, the doctor usually choose animals for the testing because their lifespans are shorter than human beings, and for results and the consequences for developing any kind of vaccine or any kind of drug gives better results on animals. That's why animals are preferred over human beings. That's why they means the animals are chosen for testing purposes. And we
Exactly.
can't.
In fact, Parky, do you know? I was watching a video where they were comparing animal testing with testing on people who are on death rows or who are going to prison, like who are major criminals. So why are you laughing?
I,
Okay,
why are
okay.
you laughing? Parky?
Yeah, she
I also
interrupted.
saw that.
We watch same content.
Parky said, how are you lying in your bed? That's not a good impression.
Yeah, I'm not feeling
Many,
well.
many YouTubers will be watching you. वो क्या कहते हैं यूट्यूबर की audience.
Yeah, she is always either lying on bed or walking outside. Okay, let's get back to the topic.
Yes.
Uh,
But sometimes this animal testing can be dangerous too. Like there was some scientists in China who went to caves, and like they bought the samples of that bats and all. From there they got that Ebola virus. So because of that testing, we got a disease in the human community. So testing should not be banned, but testing should be done with proper care.
Yeah, exactly. I agree.
And proper rules should be made. They should cause pain to the animal because they are also a living being.
Yes.
Sugandha,
Yes,
why are you
Sugandha.
laughing?
Yes, Antika, many and
Because Kritika always asks for making rules and regulations for every topic.
many
Like Corona is also a living being that has also a right to live.
she's like our CM. She's like our CM.
Yeah. After all, उत्तराखंड का खून है. अच्छा नहीं है उत्तराखंड की नहीं है, sorry.
I'm just
I agree with you, Vartika, because all day, matlab every day, thousands of animals are killed in laboratory for the name of testing. For the sake of testing, they are killed. So it should be done. ये हंस क्यों रहे हैं?
They are not even 100% effective also.
Yeah, but we are
many
not
diseases
having any other alternative,
are found
Sugandha.
in humans are not found in animals. Like many major disease like cancer.
Why is Prashal laughing so much? I don't
Everyone
know.
is laughing.
What is the problem?
It's her birthday today. That is why.
I don't know. We all are laughing one by one.
No, you are laughing.
Parky was laughing when I was talking. Then
No. I saw one video in that there was a discussion about why we should ban that animal testing. We should not. So I was laughing on that because I also watched that.
Okay, and Parsi, once we have discussed this topic and we used to
I
say
have
कि ये जो गलत काम कर रहे हैं, रेप वगैरह कर रहे हैं, इन पे टेस्ट करना चाहिए.
Exactly. That yeah, exactly. I agree. Means one time we have discussed. Yeah, you are right. Like people who used to commit rapes and all, one who used to commit means
Who are criminals?
Yeah.
Who are criminals? They should not be hanged to death, but they should be
Yes.
used for testing.
Yes. They should be given to medical science so that
Yeah.
animal life can be saved. Yeah, at least animal are better than them.
Yeah, I agree to your point.
Why
And
should
they should be done. Even they should be given to medical for dissection purposes.
will have the fear of getting medically tested and etc. So crime rate will also decrease.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's a point. I think government should think over it because such kind of people usually get like punishments like of lifetime jail, or they used to get hung. So people are not even afraid of these kind of punishment. They should be handled over the medical sciences. So for the dissection purposes and also for the testing. I'll talk to Modi ji, don't worry.
but Parki, they are also human and they also have family. The family will not allow to use their.
But Akansha, there is no guarantee that they will, if they are going to be used for medical science, they will be killed or something would happen to them.
They one day they have to die. They have to die by either by hanging on that rope or just do something for the nation. They can even give their part for the nation for being a testing kit, or you can say like that.
Volunteering could be done, but
Just
it's
take
not.
out their
But
kidney,
it's not
liver,
the
eyes.
Hari criminal. They should be allowed for testing. That should not be fair.
Honey, at least one who one who does very worst kind of crimes and all. You might have understand what I'm trying to say.
Overall,
Such
there
people
must be some criteria
I think
that
their live dissection should be done even.
But we are living in democratic country and we can't force
Yes.
anyone to do that.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah,
they-
we are living in a democratic country. Then also we are punishing them now. Though, so punishing them for their crime. So punishment can be changed. There should be amendment in constitutions and all. So the punishment should be changed by such kind of things.
But it
At
will
least
be a slow process,
But
and there
if
won't be any.
what, Vartika?
Okay, you can say.
There must be some criteria, like
I
those
forgot
who,
what I was saying.
Same.
overall, there must
Something
be some
related to
criteria,
criminals.
like those who are charged for murder or sexual harassment. They must be charged for animal testing instead of sentence death.
But if they will not go to sentence, they will live a happy life also, because they have to give, because medical science have to give them good food, electricity, good everything.
Yes.
Right,
Yes,
Sugandha.
then
Punishment for them, they
again they would be like burden
they
to
have to die, but in prison they have to suffer. But if we give them to medical science, they will enjoy their life till then. They would be hanged or killed.
They may enjoy certain services, but look into the fact they are not given freedom. Like they have not been become liberal, that they are free of all the charges. Testing is done, and if they die, if they die, they die. Who cares? And if they don't, they will still live into prison. And there are certain places in foreign where these prisoners are even taught and even spared if they become some good person. So that is not any problem if I think animal testing is done over these criminals.
Human.
These humans are also such kind of humans are also
But the family who has
animals.
suffered won't allow their criminals to go for medical testing to let them free. The
Acha,
families want a proper
they
death.
allow them to get her.
But
If you
there
will
should be rules and regulations for that, na?
Bhartika, these criminals are already charged of accusations. So where is the matter of family? They are very bad people. So we
So
can
we are
sue on
letting them
them.
Yes.
free by
I
giving
agree
them
with
to
Raksha.
medical science, and it
no,
will
no,
be
no,
and there is no that guy.
no,
But
don't let
yes,
them go free.
yes, I agree.
But
If like we test on humans, then it would be effective on humans. Like
Yes,
sometimes we
yes,
test some drugs in animal. Sometimes we test a drug, it works on animal, but most of the time it does not works on human that
absolutely.
effectively. But if we test on this criminal human,
Matlab,
they
see,
would
that is a
be
good
good
option,
for
I
us.
means
Yes.
if we don't find any wrong in killing an animal just for the sake of animal testing, so why are we thinking about those criminals who have to be tested to save million other lives? Like we live in a world where everything follows that network food chain, and lion kills deer and this. So killing is not any major issue for criminals.
But we
ultimately
are
But
that
not.
as Sugandha mentioned, this will require a lot of money, and we know the condition of the criminals, from which background they belong. So we need them with proper food. We need to keep them in a proper surveillance. So I think it is not a better option.
because
Yes, I agree.
I guess they should be
a lot
tested
of students will stop testing
such
on
kind.
mice and something else, so there will be a very huge mice population. So you will find everywhere mice and your clothes were torn.
क्यों तेरे घर से लेके जाते हैं चूहे?
You have to, she's she was talking about food chain, na, so we have to maintain that also. If we didn't kill mice will kill us.
Mice
By
can't
making-
kill us.
by making government of majority.
I think so that human testing should not be banned, It should be control. I think this much only.
I also think the same, Akansha.
Animals
Human
and no, animals like animal and human both have feelings.
Yes.
We can't
I
kill
agree your
them
point.
for
Like I just want to is it the time to conclude? No, it is takes right now. Sorry. I just want to say that there are some testing which are done over humans and they are quite dangerous. Even the scientists used to say that such kind of testings are quite dangerous and it can be result into any situations, right? So in that cases we can in that cases we can use such kind of criminals for testing purposes rather than using a normal human being. There are many people who used to come forward just for the sake of their country that they want to be a volunteer for a kind of
yes,
test.
for
So
for
for that,
vaccine
Partly,
also. For
but the
vaccine
reality
also
is
they
only
were
the poor people came forward because they are getting money for that.
yeah, I
yes.
do agree. I agree that, but for that case means where there is a danger of means there is a sign of danger. There is some danger for means undergoing the testing process. So in that case, the criminals can be taken as volunteers, isn't it? Because
Yeah.
and there are some testing which happens on humans even. It's not like that it happens on animals only. But in the case, means humans are given much proper, all the facilities and all. Like Swarna was telling that they are given like extra facilities and all. So humans are treated, more properly and more lovably because they are humans as comparison to animals. So if any testing can be done over humans rather than on animals, that should be converted because humans, because we care for a human life rather than a animal life. You might have seen more.
Yeah,
Yes.
we think humans are more superior than animals, and we sometimes disregard the value of an innocent animal.
Hmm. Yeah.
They have the equal right to live on the planet. It's not that God has made us to rule and and we can use them for anything.
Yeah. Because it's just like there are many testing which cannot be done on humans. So in that cases, we can't even ban animal testing also. Like we have a great example in front of us, like the vaccine which we people are taking, like Covishield, and it was developed by the cells of chimpanzee. So if we would me scientists would not have done any research and research over animals and all, then how would we able to get that vaccine? So it's also not a solution, or we can't even claim that the animal testing should be banned. But it can be controlled over a limit.
Yes.
I think this is scientist department, what to consider and what not. Why are you laughing, Parky, again?
I don't know. When you started speaking, you loud. I should close my camera now.
You are coming over my screen and smiling.
Okay, sorry. Arey,
Like you have known about the cancer research. When there was a going on cancer research, mice were treated by that therapy, but when that therapy is applied to human being, it has no effect on human being.
Yes,
So many
that's what
times
I was saying. That
many
it is
times
also
animal
effective on
testing is not
the major
effective.
disease.
yeah, because if we know the things that it's not going effective, so we should stop the research. Because you might have seen many scientists and all, they continue with the different kinds of animals. They used to catch different animals for the testing purpose, and if in one or two results or maximum to five results they are not getting a proper kind of results and outputs, they should stop there only and they should move to the alternatives by catching people's minds. Their testing should be done over
Catching
Yeah, but
humans.
people.
sometimes we can't predict just 5 or 6 tests.
Sorry.
Sometimes we can't predict the result by just
I don't.
5 or 6 tests.
Yeah, like, but the way they used to do means they used to do testing on animals, it is quite brutal as comparison to humans. isn't it?
So let's just go for conclusion.
Yeah, but there are
because-
some places where proper measures are taken.
Yes.
Yeah, there are, no doubt. I don't know why today it's quite funny.
Yeah.
That's
But
like
we all
just
are on the
conclude
same
our
side and no one is opposing.
I
So
thought
let's divide. We are 6. No, we
Okay.
are 5 today. Jayane is not there. So let us divide
Okay.
ourselves, and we should speak and for okay.
Should we? Yes. Animal testing should
I'm
end
also speaking again.
Okay.
on human beings. Like the drugs which we made is not effective. Then what is the point of testing
Oh,
the
Akansha,
animals?
what do you want? Should
Yeah,
we
I-
stop
that-
testing? What about the solutions to our medical problem? What about the solution to vaccines, cancer, and क्या था वो blood transfusion?
Yeah. So
We are also
we should
harming animals.
what you want, the testing should be done on plastic products.
Okay, Sugandha, then tell me, are you a vegetarian
Okay.
or don't you eat eggs or chicken
Yeah.
or meat or other?
I have seen Sugandha. You are also harming animals. They are also butchered, and
Actually, I'm
earlier we used to,
vegetarian, Vartika.
earlier we used to
I'm
use
vegetarian, I'm
animal as a
very-
mode of. Shut up.
I am vegetarian. I'm not eating chicken in hostel. Okay. You only eat 2 plates of chicken.
I used to throw paneer.
I even don't eat egg also. Okay. So don't call,
Yes.
call that I used.
Sorry, my bad, my bad.
Okay, maybe suppose you are eating or some of your friends are eating. So don't you think you should stop them from eating innocent animals rather than
I have stopped. You
And
can see
using-
the biggest example. Parthi
using-
can't eat chicken in front of me.
Sugandha, you might be using many skincare products. They are also used by butchering
I'm not-
animals.
I am not using any skincare product. I even don't use lipstick or lip balm of local
And many
products.
of your clothes also.
Local products are made of animal skin.
Do you know the case of a? Do you know the case of a drug, Vioxx, which is used to treat the arthritis?
Sorry,
It was
I
a
don't-
drug. It was a drug which was made by testing on animals, on monkeys, and it was found to be very effective on animals. But when it was tested on humans, it have major side effects on humans, and many volunteers died because of that usage of that drug.
Okay, I agree.
So in that case, it has become so dangerous for human animals.
Yeah,
I
I
think
agree your
this
point.
is
Like for your, like you told us the great example, and I appreciate that even. But tell me one thing: if that testing would have not done, right? Means the researches are going on. So on whom we should do then testing? Like humans are getting adverse effect of that testing that was done on monkeys. So what you want, that testing should be directly implemented or human? We don't
Yes,
have another
criminal
option.
humans.
We don't have
Yes, I want testing should be done directly to criminal humans and then come to the good people like me. Because animals also have feeling. They have right to live in this planet. Okay, you can, if you don't want people or human die. So many animal lovers also don't want that a single animal die.
Okay, I just want to ask one more question. Like you are saying that testing should be done directly on humans, and we all know that the lifespan of a human being is much more greater than an animal. So in testing,
I'm
what
not
happens?
saying. I was
Huh.
saying testing should be done on criminals. So
Okay, take it like criminal
But-
humans. Let me complete that was saying that we all know that the lifespan of a criminal human is much more greater than an animal. And you know that just testing the effect of any vaccine or any test, we need certain consequences and the changes that occur in one's body, like in animal's body. But human, so that takes much more greater time as comparison to animals. So that cannot be a kind of positive thing. I mean, that will take much more time for developing any kind of drug or a vaccine. Until we can't wait even. There is a great example in front of you, that is the COVID vaccine. And till we can't wait even, there is a great example in front of you, that is the COVID vaccine.
But
But
animal also
like
cannot be after
if
them.
we do
They
testing
will
on
be out to.
animals, we take it like casually. We don't
Yeah.
consider that like we should do it with safety precautions. If it would have been a human, we would have done many precautions we
Yeah,
we
yeah,
will
I
take.
get your point. And that is, that is the part of, that side is a part of government, because there are certain, there are certain
It's correct that animal will show
I will
result
agree
more
with
than frequent.
only on one point, that human should not be the testing object. Okay, I'll agree with that. But animals should be a testing object. I disagree, because animals also too
we
have
don't have
feelings.
any other alternative, Ms.
We can find out. जहाँ
Yeah,
चाहे
but
वहाँ राह है.
If we
If
cannot
okay,
use
animal
but
an
in
testing should
present
be
alternative,
scenario, we are not having. I
then
hope
definitely
the
we will
technology
find
will improve and we'll
alternative.
get a
Okay.
solution.
okay, I agree your point. If we'll start finding the alternatives, we'll get.
Yes.
Okay,
First,
let's decide right now what is the other alternative, leaving humans and animals. Is there any alternative till now?
how can I
Can I
find
find
No,
that?
till now it is not there.
Children and medical sciences have their great minds. They can use their minds for this.
Okay,
But
okay.
like
We are
drugs
such,
should
we
be
are first
tested
of
on
all students of
cells.
engineering department. So how I cannot think on that level of medical science that we should what
Can't
alternative should we
regret
use.
anything
But
until
if you are not allowed, Parki, if you are not allowing humans to be get tested, so animal lovers or also God, because God has made all of
okay.
us. They will not वो क्या बोलते हैं but वो उसको क्या
Okay, so
बोलते हैं
Ganga,
भेदभाव को
discrimination,
partiality.
discriminate.
God
हाँ,
should
partiality.
will not be make partiality between us. So why would we? Why would we
See, God
use
has-
only animals for testing? We should find other
Yeah, but
alternatives.
we are also
Okay,
using
like
animals in
God,
many
like
ways, Sugandha. Like we are eating their skin. We are using as a mode of transport. Living life without animals would not be possible for humans.
So this
Okay.
this also should be banned. We are just talking about their testing. But otherwise, what are also be banned, because this is not good. This is what happening to us because of
That's
the
not
little
that. Then sooner or later, we all will disappear from this earth.
Okay, so Ganda, answer me. How many soldiers each year from a country are recruited for armies? I mean, how many? Don't they have any threat to their lives? Like they work throughout the year in order to protect us. They also risk their life. So this is the fact that in order to make this world survive. Sorry, one has to risk their life, be it any animal or be it any human. So when are when we are discussing this cat fight over should animal be sent or should human be sent, don't we think we can take proper measures, like there should be controlled animals and there can be worse to worse humans who don't even have any basic right to live because they are so ill and criminals. So we have certain options, and I'm not any
So I was
scientist that I claim. But you
I
know,
was just saying that only that we can find other alternatives. We are not going for only animals.
See, other
Yes,
I
soon as
agree your
we will
point, like
find, we will
finding,
stop.
What?
As
like
soon as
I
we will
agree.
find some other alternative, we will stop using animal
But
testing.
Vartika, we are not finding na. The problem is this.
Yeah,
But we
I
will
was
that's what
just
find
is
Think
technology
like
is
animal.
advancing
We
day
think
by
that
day.
we think like animals are free and animal are they don't speak. They can't like anything can be done with them.
okay. I just
We
want to put
human
one
used
more
to think
question.
this.
Okay, let's just imagine one of you that you cannot speak, but you can feel everything which you are feeling right now as a human. Okay, but you cannot speak, and we will be doing whatever we want to do with you.
Yeah, that is a kind of, I got your point, Sugandha. Like, you are saying you should find some other alternatives rather than humans and rather than animals. You might have
Yes.
seen there are many research that are done on plants. So I think you are trying to say we should ban over plants even because they are also having life.
No,
They are also living beings.
because plants have life, but they don't have that feeling that animal can have like us.
You can't
Plants
I
are
say
think
free.
so.
plants also
I
have
think
feelings.
I think plants
Like
also have feelings.
animals
Plants
can
also
scream.
have
I I
feelings.
I I think
You
plants
cannot
also
say
have
that
feelings.
plants also have every ऐसे तो जो हमारे सब
Feelings.
organism है you everything.
Sugandha, this world is as much
But
as
yeah,
the
but testing done on plants will not be effective on animal because cells are different. Animal cell
Yes,
and plant
animal
cell are so
testing.
different. If animal testing is not effective, then how can be that plant testing will be effective?
Okay, I just want to ask one more question to Akansha. Like you are saying that if animal testing is not being affected, then how plant testing can't be affected? You might have seen like Gloy and all. You might have taken many medicines of Ayurvedics and
Because
all. They all medicines.
exactly because they are grown for medicinal properties with medicinal properties. They have medicinal properties, and we can grow them. We can grow them. You cannot relieve the
Animals
that.
also, what are you we can do breeding. We can have many animals.
Okay, you just open that. No, you cannot produce animal. You cannot produce animal, but we can produce that. We can plant a plant.
but Sugandha, so many plants are cut down, so many plants are consumed.
Let's just yeah, what I was saying. Let's just
But these plants are also
dinosaur को वापस लाओ. We have just finished them by testing and all.
No. You are wrong. Dinosaurs were not killed by testing and all. Dinosaur was killed because
By
of
killing
earthquake.
them by somehow they got disappeared.
They got disappeared because of earthquake. I think there was a
Because of
certain
meteoroid hit Earth.
yeah. That's
Climate
why they were
change.
killed. It was not a
I
human
was just
action.
giving example. We have many of them. I have just remember that dinosaur one.
Like
I just want to know some alternatives. If you have that, so
like
please let us also know.
like
If
testing
in
should be
future
done.
that become
Testing should be done.
then I'll work over
I
it.
don't have such alternative because I don't have that medical science mind. We have a
You
great
can't
Like
say
medical.
that.
They should
Parchi,
be
like some testing can be done using the cells of.
yes, Akansha.
I'm saying that some testing can be done using the cell structure, human cells or animal cell, whatever. And like some testing can be done without harming the animals, without harming the animal, taking proper care.
That it comes up to that only. There are like you're talking about, we should do testing over cells. Like we all know, till 12th we all have studied bio. So cell is the smallest part of our body, and many cells together makes a tissue, and many tissue makes together makes organ, and many organs together make a human being or an animal or whatever. When you're talking about to test over cell, so how there will be replications, how there will be changes, observations. Okay, let's end.
Okay,
Okay.
I can read out some alternatives to animal testing. Can I?
See,
Okay.
the topic was, should all
Yeah, yeah.
animals be banned from animal tests?
Okay, replacing like cell cultures, human tissues, computer models, volunteer studies, medical breakthrough using humans. Non-animal methods are better than animals.
See,
These are
actually, the thing is, we are not scientists, and
don't know
we
about that.
don't have.
I have googled that. So we have very great minds in medical.
So, Sugandha, can you explain any one of these? Like, what
हाँ,
does it contain? And
अरे,
yes,
I have not studied about that ना, but there are alternatives. Okay, give me one day. I will study and I will tell you what is this.
Okay, like if there are alternatives and they are discovered by some peoples, so I think they are used. That is why I think we are not aware of it. There are, if there are alternatives, they might be used by some of the scientists because they were they might have discovered.
But Parki, in ancient times only animal testing is done. Nowadays many thing happens. Even we don't know about that. Many testing other alternatives have already come into play and we don't know. You cannot said that because you are
That
not a medical student or we even don't know about what is going on there.
where
You cannot keep an eye on
I
what
think
testing
Parky
like
is
that.
drunk today. I think Parky is drunk today.
same,
today's partial birthday. Today's partial today's partial birthday तो आज थोड़ी ज्यादा हो गई.
she has taken food.
She was
Okay,
sleeping
okay.
and making
Let's
faces.
just play yesterday's game, which Prashal has introduced. Okay, for
Yes,
6 minutes.
let us play one. Yes.
Topic because
Okay.
I
First.
think we have enough fight against and favor, and we are
Yes.
talking yes because you have given us to speak like that. Okay, but by heart we are in favor of with control measure of animal testing. Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
I
so
said tell
let's
me one thing. Tomorrow is my turn or someone else.
Sunday tomorrow is.
Monday, na?
Monday.
Okay. Okay, let's start.
Start yesterday's game.
Akansha, you only start alphabetically.
Akansha, Parky, Prachal, Sugandha, Vartika. ठीक है.
Okay.
I read a book in library.
Library is the best place where you can gain lot of knowledge.
Knowledge and wisdom are two aspects of life.
Life is beautiful, like dream.
Like cream?
Dream.
Dream.
Are the best friends.
What?
Best friend are lifeline.
Lifeline I took when I was playing Kaun Banega Karodpati with my guys.
Guys is a word which we use to refer to our friends.